Hello and good evening. This is Paul Samia from the e-commerce roundtable. I'm excited to come to you today because we are going to be finishing up our funnel. We're doing our confirmation page, or otherwise known as thank you, the thank you page. So let's jump right in. Let's do this. After the thank you page, we're gonna go over real quick the audience I'm gonna target. The audience that I want to target. I'm not sure if it's the right audience yet, but let's see. We'll figure it out, right? All right, so what I need to do here first is actually add the thank you page. So I'm gonna go over here, add new funnel step. I'm gonna say thank you. And then I am going to show it in the funnel. That way we can work with it. Again, guys, I'm coming to you live. I'm doing all this live. I'm not going to go through and edit anything. So you're going to hear stuff in the background. I'm going to stutter. I'm going to mumble. I'm going to I'm going to but. I'm going to say a bunch of stuff, and I'm going to who knows what. So just have fun with me, okay? Let's do it. Now that we have our thank you page down, we have to tell ClickFunnels what this page is, okay? This page is, in fact, a confirmation page. Once you do that, it's going to give you all these beautiful templates. All right, let's pick one real fast. We don't want to take too much time. We'll try to stick to the same kind of color scheme we have now. I say we'll just take this one. Not even going to preview. I'm just going to take it. All right, we're just going to take a quick peek at it. Really, it's just the thank you page. Once your buyer gets to this page, they've already bought from you. So they already have all your information. Really, all I would do here is just thank them. What a lot of people do, what I do on a lot of my other funnels also is I would have down here maybe something like, you may be interested in these products, right? With 2 or 3 other products that's leading them to 2 or 3 other funnels of mine, sending them again through the process. But in this case, we're building a funnel. Sorry, something's on my eyeball. We're building a funnel that's super stupid simple. I want this to be simple, simple, simple. And just to show you how easy it really is. So we're just gonna make it easy. We're gonna make it fast. We're gonna make it bare bones. What did I call ourselves again? Carvent. Central. All right, cool. All the stuff, I'll go in there and do it later. I'll turn all those into links and whatnot. Again, if you guys want to see that, if you want to see how we go through and do all the boring technical stuff, which is important, but it's boring, let me know and I'll put that together for you. Like integrations, SEO, tracking, all this stuff that's important. I'm happy to do it. All right, so congrats. Your order is complete. Below you'll find all the products you've purchased. All this will automatically fill in because we've already added our products to the funnel steps. And if they say yes, add this, or yes, I'll take this. Let me show you what I mean by that. Yes, I'll take this. It automatically bills them and it will automatically be added to the thank you page. So really you don't have to do anything there. If you want to see how easy it really is, I'll go half width. We'll go over here. We'll say, I don't know, we'll say 2 products, okay? And then over here, we'll add an image of a product. And over here, we'll add an image of a product. Underneath that, maybe a short description of the product. Or actually what I like to do is I'll throw in a headline and I'll say this thing or whatever the product is, right? Let's just copy that and move this over. And then what we want to do is add one more column. I'm going through this fast, guys, but feel free to pause this and follow it step by step, or there'll be plenty more instructions here, plenty more videos for you to watch. So just stay tuned, subscribe, and you won't miss a thing. So I want to add a headline. I'm going to say other things you might like Again, I'm not saving any of this. I'm just showing you this as an example. Oh, when it's, sorry, let me undo that. Oh, the undo button is gone. They took away my undo button, guys. We'll be okay though. All right. In this case, since there's no row up here, what we do is we have to move this whole row up, and it's as simple as click, done. Right, and if you want to get fancy with it, you can get fancy with it. Text color, background color, right? You want to get fancy with the edges. Where is it? Border radius. Other things you might like, guys. We can move it all up, make it pretty. Move it all down, make it pretty. And that's how I would add products here, and that's how I would send them to other funnels. Look, you click on the image. Here's the image, okay? And then here's the link. You have to put your other funnel URL in here, www. whatever it is. You put the URL here. That becomes a link to your next funnel. Feel free if you want to add a very small subscription description here. Okay, we're not going crazy. This is the thank you page, right? They already bought from you. All this stuff could happen in the email sequences you're sending them. Okay, so this should just be a short, sweet, hey guys, you might like this and that. Cool. Like I said, I'm not saving any of this, so hasta la vista. Perfect. We're making this simple, 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 simple. Apple pie, simple, right? I don't think apple pie is easy to make, but apple pie. And that's it. We're not changing anything else on this. You know, we can add, I don't know, your air vent holder things are on the way, whatever, but we're not doing anything. We're done. Cool. So let me show you. I have to move this down, I guess, because I don't know how to move that thing. I don't know if you can even see it. Anyways, here, I got to fix this, guys. I'm so sorry. Again, the joys of going live. Okay. So let me show you our funnel. I'm still going to do some changes here and there. I want to fix the colors a little bit, do some integrations, and then it's ready to go. We are going to launch this thing. I'm going to launch it live with you, okay? I'm debating whether I'm going to do it like live on Facebook or do it here and post it. I don't know yet. You tell me what you want me to do. Put it in the Facebook group because I'm not really monitoring my YouTube, all right? And if you're not yet a member of the Facebook group, it's free. It's called eCommerce Roundtable. Join up, and when I have a chance, I will accept your request. All right, so this is the opt-in page. They come in, boom, they drop in their email address. They say, yes, I want this. Sends them to the order form. This is where they're reminded that they get 2 very cool things. Here's a couple of pictures, and I kind of put 3 pictures in to match the length of the order form, really, because I want everything to look good. We have to check all this on mobile, which is going to be part of our pre-launch checklist, okay? So they get some pictures, pretty cool, good. They get the security badge, and then our upsell, which I still kind of want to tweak, but for now, I'm just going to leave it. I might do the tweaks later. So over here, they're selecting 2 air vent cell phone holders, free plus shipping. I mean, if we add more products to this funnel, we go right here, order form, products. I can add 2 more, you know, get 4 more, 8 more, 6 more here. I could do all that on this page and put different products in my upsells, right? But in this case, I want it to be a 1 product funnel. I want it to be simple. I don't want people to get confused. They're probably going to be on their phone. I don't want them clicking around on things. I want them to put their info in, click go, maybe hit yes, I want more here, and then next page, okay? So opt-in page, get their email. Boom, they hit this page. We get their contact info, their address, we don't ever see their credit card information, but this is where they pay for the shipping. And this is where they see what they're paying for, okay? Boom, next page after they accept that, it goes, wait, special offer. Here's our special offer, get 4 more. Okay, yes, this is actually where we're gonna make our money. On the first opt-in page and the sales form, really, the goal would be to break even. If you could break even through your ad spend on that page, that's goal. Really, you want the order bump to break even. You're not gonna make money if you just do the free plus shipping and everyone just takes that. You're gonna be actually negative, however much your per click is, and yada yada, we can go over later. But if they click this, the goal here is to break even ad wise. Break even. This is the break even page. So you know, try not to make all your money here. We're making our money here, here, and here. Okay. Boom, they're on this page. Get 4 more. Yes, no. Up to them, whatever. Next page. No matter what they say, everything is an upsell here. We don't have any downsells in this funnel. This is a full upsell funnel. There's no downsells. And if you don't understand downsell, I will explain that later in another video, okay? When we build a funnel with downsells, or I could just make a video for you and explain it. Here we go. Next page. Get 6 more. They can come in and get 6 more of these. Yes. And they have a no option, obviously. This is not set up yet as a link. I have not done that yet. Same thing on this page. Get 8 more, right? Never assume where they are in the buying process. They might take the 4 more. They might take the 6 more even. And then after that, who knows? They might even take 8. They might leave this whole thing with who knows how many of these, right? That's what we want. Let's never assume where they are in the buying process. And then we could test and modify as we go. As this funnel progresses, we test and modify, test and modify, test and modify. Maybe I'll add another product, right? Maybe I'll expand this out, add, you know, 2 or 3 more here, make 1 upsell page with 10, maybe give them a good deal on 10, and then these 2 could be different products. That's the beauty of this. You can do whatever you really want. That's why I love making businesses online. Is just so forgiving. You can just really do whatever. And also when you find the sweet spot, when you start making your sales, you just don't touch it. Let it do its thing, right? If you have the proper systems in place, it's automated. It's beautiful. It's somewhat automated. You know, you always have to be part of your business, but it's magnifique. That was probably not right, but magnifique. Magnificent. All right, here we go. Remind me never to speak another language again. Boom. Thank you, page. Done. This funnel is finished. All right. Besides integrations, a few tweaks here and there, this funnel is done. So now really what I want to go over with you guys is our target audience. Who are we targeting? Honestly, I haven't really taken too much time to think about this. Sorry, I had to write out a little something for you guys because my stuff was lagging and I had to write it here and copy and paste it. Anyways, who are we selling to? Who would buy this? I think someone maybe 24 years. And the reason I'm doing 24 is because they have a job, most likely, hopefully by now. And they have a credit card or some kind of debit card where they can actually buy this. If I go younger, I know there's some 18-year-olds. I know there's some 12-year-olds that have cell phones. I know there's some 8-year-olds that have cell phones, right? But they just cannot buy this, and they can't go beg their mom to go and buy this for them. So we're going to stick to someone that can actually think for themselves and have some money, okay? So we're going to go 24 to... I think 64 is too much, but they might want it as a gift for someone. Maybe hey, I'll buy 8 of these. Let's say 55. All right, who are we going to sell these to? Maybe students. Maybe people that like iPhones. And we're just gonna make a list. What I usually do when I think about my target audience, I just make a list of who my perfect customer is, right? I have this thing on my phone. It just helps me. I have an 8. This is an 8 Plus. It's huge. My hands are small. I can't hold it and do things. So I need this. Okay. Let's do maybe business owners. Sorry. Can't spell. Business owners, entrepreneurs, people in that kind of world that are on their phone a lot. Maybe digital marketers. All right, we're not going to go through this whole thing now because it's going to take an hour or longer. And also, some of these people I can't target. I mean, I don't know if I could target iPhone's interest. Can I? I haven't tried that yet because I haven't really been selling stuff in tech. All right, tech. Techie people that like tech stuff, maybe electronics, maybe, you know, who else is my audience? If you have any ideas, pop it in. Because like I said, I'm sharing this with you guys. So you can all have a piece of the pie. So we might as well share some ideas. Who else would buy this, right? See, this takes a while. This takes definitely a while. I would go on, I would do some research. I would see who buys this kind of stuff. That's going to take an hour. I can't do it right now with you guys. But anyways, you just get an idea. You have to think about who is your target audience, right? Who is going to buy this? Car owners. You know, in Facebook, it might be new car owners, might be old car owners. We don't know. We have to see. Samsung, maybe. Right, so we're going to start listing the people, the person. We're going to start listing the perfect person that wants to buy this thing, that could buy this thing. Men and women. I'm only going to target USA. In this case, I normally do USA and Canada, but in this case, and other English-speaking countries, but really in this case, I'm just going to stick with USA. What else? Yeah, this you have to research it. I mean, I would definitely, I'm going to do some research. I'm going to put together this audience. Really, if I sit here and do this with you now, it's going to take a few hours. It's going to take an hour at least. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put something together for you. And when we get ready to launch, I'm going to plug it all in Facebook and you can watch me. It should be fun. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you have any questions, please pop it in below in the comments. Make sure to follow, make sure to subscribe. Besides that, thank you so much for joining me. Paul Samia here, eCommerce Roundtable, and I will talk to you later.